Welcome to Off-Grid Victory. So here I am just kind of examining my pond. I planted some, I guess some lilies. There's one over there. I just wanted to check it out. What I've been trying to do is expand the size of my pond here. I'm not exactly sure what the size is, but let's say it's about a quarter of an acre or so, something like that. At any rate, I've been clearing brush out here last year, and like I said, trying to really expand it out. It's holding a lot of really good water, and there's a lot of fish and frogs in here. But to help it out, what I've been trying to do, and this is what I did last year, in the winter time, I cut down that willow tree and that willow tree just because they take up so much water. And so yeah, I cut those guys down, and so yeah, the pond in that area now is filling up. Before, that area was all sucked down dry, and so I got a good, let's say about 12 feet of water back that's staying in this pond now, which is great. That's what I wanted to accomplish. However, something unforeseen kind of happened. So this was a willow tree, like I said, and I came back to it, and yes, I didn't finish the job, because here's a branch that I cut off. Some more branches here laying out. I didn't clear it. You can see some of them here. Now those are dead, obviously, and get rid of those, burn them. But take a look at some of this stuff. This guy who's been sitting in the pond water actually started rooting out. Look at those roots, and it's sending out all these little tree buds. I mean, if I had just left this in the pond, this would become a new tree. It basically cloned itself. And to give you something more ridiculous, take a look at this stuff. Now, I just picked those out, but yeah, take a look at this. Now, this trunk was from one of those bases, either that one or the other one over there. All right, probably that one. And take a look at this. It actually started rooting from the bottom, and it's putting out tree limbs. Now, to just give you an idea, this guy is free and clear, okay? It's been cut. Take a look at these logs. I cut these guys, and some of them are beginning to sprout trees. That's ridiculous. You can't even kill these things if you wanted to. At any rate, I learned my lesson. I don't want to be growing more willow trees, more than even what I started out with, which is all of this, as you can see. Yeah, I need to go ahead and clear that brush and start burning, because I do not want to end up with more willow trees like that, or from, excuse the camera work, from a wood pile like that. So yeah, maybe some of my friends might be interested in willow trees if they like them. I personally don't need them, and I want to be able to hold as much water as I can in my pond, so I want to get rid of them. But yes, yeah, life from death. Pretty interesting stuff. Alrighty, shalom.